Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to all for today's social class. Today we will see Geography Lost Lesson. The lesson name is Antarctica, the White Continent. It is a lost lesson in geography in part 2 textbook. Okay, let us see. Learn about this lesson now. Listen carefully, dear students, and observe. Location, extent, and physical setting. Location. Antarctica is a continent which surrounds the South Pole. Most of the continent lies within the Antarctic Circle, a 66 degree 30 degree South Pole. A unique position of the continent is that it is opposite to the Arctic Ocean around the North Pole. Listen, dear students. Antarctica is the continent which surrounds the South Pole. Got it? The Antarctica is a continent which surrounds in South Pole. Got it? Most of the continent lies within the Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Got it? A unique position. Unique means different. Unique means what? Different. A unique position of the continent is that it is opposite to the Arctic Ocean around the North Pole. Got it? Let us see now extent. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. Its total area is 14.2 million square kilometers. It is larger than China and India and is more than half the size of the USA. Listen carefully, dear students. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. Got it? Antarctica is the fifth largest continent and its total area is 14.2 million square kilometers. Listen carefully. The Antarctica is the fifth largest continent and the total area is 14.2 million square kilometers. Got it? The Antarctica is larger than China and India and it is more than half of the size of the USA. USA stands for United States of America. Got it? Let us see now physical setting. The continent of Antarctica is surrounded by the water body. It is often called a Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean, but it is not a separate water body. Listen, dear students, the continent of Antarctica is surrounded by water body. Got it? The Antarctica continent is surrounded by water body. It is often called a Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. But the Antarctica continent not have a separate water body. The Antarctica continent not have separate water body. Got it? See, listen. Instead, instead it is formed by the meeting of southern parts of the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. Cape Horn, the southern extreme end of South America, is the nearest land to this continent. Which is the nearest land of Antarctica continent? The Cape Horn. Cape Horn is the nearest land to the Antarctica continent. Got it? It lies at a distance of 990 kilometers. The distance between Cape Horn and Antarctica is 990 kilometers. Got it? Antarctica is bound by the Indian Ocean in the east. Listen, the Antarctica continent is bound by the Indian Ocean in east direction, Pacific Ocean in the west direction, and Atlantic Ocean in the northwest. Got it? Okay, listen. Let us see now physical features of Antarctica. Ice and snow cover about 98% of Antarctica. Listen, ice and snow cover the Antarctica about 98%. Got it? Therefore, most of the relief features of the continent are covered by ice sheets. Listen, high mountain peaks and few plateaus are the only visible land surface. What will visible on land surface in Antarctica continent? High mountain peaks and few plateau is only visible in Antarctica continent. Got it? Because 98% of Antarctica is covered by snow or ice sheets. Got it? The ice layer, which approximately 2300 meters thick. Listen, the ice layers in Antarctica is approximately 2300 meters thick. Got it? Make it look white. Therefore, Antarctica is called white continent. It also known as snow desert and cold desert, as generates the coldest climate. Listen, dear students, why the Antarctica is called as white continent? Because the ice layer, which approximately 2300 meters thick, make it look white. So, Antarctica is called as white continent. Got it? And also called as snow desert or cold desert. Got it? Got it, dear students? Also, that picture is an iceberg. That is a snow iceberg. Observe. Okay. Okay, listen. Under the ice, Antarctica has the relief features such as the mountains, lowlands, valleys, and gorges. Antarctica is the highest continent in terms of average elevation, 2300 meters. The Transantarctic Mountain crosses the entire continent. It divides Antarctica into two major physical divisions, East Antarctica and West Antarctica. Got it? Listen, dear students. Under the ice, Antarctica has the relief features such as mountains, lowlands, valleys, and gorges. Gorges means what? Gorgeous means beautiful. Got it? Gorgeous means beautiful places. Okay. Antarctica is the highest continent in terms of average elevation. The Transantarctic Mountain crosses the entire continent. It divides Antarctica into two major physical divisions. Listen, the Transantarctic Mountains divide the Antarctica continent into two major physical divisions. Let us East Antarctica and West Antarctica. Got it? Let us see now. First one, East Antarctica. East Antarctica faces the South Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. It covers more than half of the continent and is called the Greater Antarctica. Along the coast of the region, there are mountains, valleys, and glaciers. The central part of the region is the plateau where the South Pole is located. Listen, dear students. East Antarctica faces South Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. It covers more than half of the continent. It covers more than half of the continent and it is called as Great Antarctica. Got it, dear students? Why Antarctica is called as why the East Antarctica is called as Great Antarctica? Because the East Antarctica covers more than half of the continent and it is called as Greater Antarctica. Got it? Along the coast of the region, there are mountains, valleys, and glaciers. Glaciers means snow rivers. Snow. Got it? Snow rivers. The central part of the region is a plateau where the South Pole is located. Let us see now. Second one is West Antarctica. West Antarctica faces the Pacific Ocean. Much of its area lies below sea level. The Antarctica Peninsula of this region is a mountainous, S-shaped fringe of land that points towards South America. Several islands lie near the peninsula. It also includes peaks and volcanoes. Vinson Massif, the highest peak in Antarctica, 5,140 meters, is located in the Ellsworth Mountains. Mount Erebus, Antarctica's most active volcano, is on the Ross Island. Another one is Prince Charles Mountain. Listen, dear students, which is the highest peak in Antarctica continent? Vinson Massif is the highest peak in Antarctica continent. It has 5,140 meters height. Got it? The Vinson Massif is located in Ellsworth Mountains. Ellsworth Mountains. Got it? And Mount Erebus, Antarctica's most active volcano, is on the Ross Island, which is the most active volcano in Antarctica continent. Mount Erebus is an Antarctica's most active volcano. It is located in Ross Island. Got it? Another one is Prince Charles Mountain. Okay. Two large gulfs cut into Antarctica at opposite ends of the Transantarctic Mountains, namely Ross Sea and Weddell Sea. Got it, dear students? Let us see now vegetation and animal health. As said earlier, the continent of Antarctica is covered by thick ice sheets. The climate of the continent is extremely cold and hostile. It has 6 months of sunshine and 6 months of darkness. It is very difficult for life to exist. Very limited plant life can survive. It mainly consists of moss, lichen, and algae living on and between the rocks. Listen, dear students. I said earlier, you know already, the continent of Antarctica is covered by thick ice sheets. The ice sheets has approximately 2,300 meters thickness. Got it? The climate of the continent is extremely cold and hostile. You know that. Listen, dear students. Carefully observe or listen. The Antarctica continent has 6 months of sunshine and 6 months of darkness. Imagine once 6 months of sunshine and 6 months of darkness. Imagine how it is. It's very difficult for life to exist. Got it? Very limited plants of life can survive here. It mainly consists of moss, lichen, and algae living on and between the rocks. Rocks means stones. Okay. Only few animals which can cope with the adverse climate like that. But there are a variety of animal life in the surrounding water bodies, namely the krill, penguins, whales, seal, and variety of seabirds. The krill is small queer shrimp like fish is found in plenty. Plenty means more. Okay. They usually swim in large groups and survive on planktons. There's microorganisms. Micro means small. There's a small or microorganisms are the source of food for low sea animals and fish. Penguins are numerous along the coast. They are large flightless birds. Adelaide, emperor penguin, and chinstrap are the chief species of penguins. They are the first to welcome the ships to this ice pack. A variety of whales and seals are found along the sea coast and nearby islands. There are 6 main species of seals. Continuous hunting has endangered the life of the seals. Observe this picture, dear students. See there, penguin bird is a large flightless bird. It is a penguin and elephant seal. Got it? Okay. Antarctic expedition and Antarctic treaty we will see next class. Dear students, I hope you all of you clears today's class. In case if you not understand, if you have any doubts, you can call me at any time. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. Got it? And homework is make any own five questions. Make any five own questions in today's topic only. Got it? What I done today in the topic, you need to make any five own questions. This is an homework for you. Okay? Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day. Thank you, one and all.